What's going on, guys? 307 here, Dallas. I got your 1x4 here. Cleaned up a little bit. 1446s. We thought it had the PP100s in it, but it didn't. Put metal clads on there, new flyback resistors. Cleaned it up a little bit, but it works pretty good. Using Cobra 29. Amp is off. 307. So we're going to do about 40 watts peak and about 5 average going in. 5 watt slug in reverse. Pass-through tune 307. Turn your box on. Input tune 307, so about 1/4 of a watt. This is what we're getting. We're on 14.5. Audio test 307. So right around 630, 650. Audio test. So it's working pretty good. Peak, it will hit up there, 7. But talking, it's probably, I'd say, around 630. Average numbers, audio 307. So about 300 average. 1446s on 14.5 volts. Thank you, sir. I'll give you a call.